The materials you will need are cornstarch, some lotion or conditioner, I like lotion because it's scented, a bowl to mix in, along with a spoon, some food coloring, which is optional, and something to measure your cornstarch with. So take your cornstarch, and this is my measuring cup, and it is 1/3 cup. So we're going to take 2 cups full of this 1/3 measuring cup, so that will leave us with 2/3 cup of cornstarch, and you basically want a 2-to-1 ratio of cornstarch to lotion. So I'm just going to go ahead and measure that out. I recommend having something beneath your surface because the cornstarch is really messy and it can get everywhere. So do it under a newspaper or somewhere where you don't mind getting messy. So this is 1/3 cup, and I'm just going to go ahead and dump that in the bowl. Then I'm going to fill it up once more. And it doesn't need to be super exact, just rough. So now we have 2/3 cup of cornstarch in our bowl. The next ingredient we're going to need is our lotion. Again, I use lotion, but you can also use conditioner. That works really well. So I'm just going to go ahead and pump out all the lotion that I need. Okay, so this is roughly 1/3 cup of lotion. Just gonna put that aside. So now I'm going to take my food coloring and put it inside my lotion. I like doing this beforehand so that the color gets mixed properly and it doesn't end up going in the flour weirdly. So I'm going to mix that up. Again, this step is optional. And then after I mix it up to my liking, I'm then going to go ahead and just spoon it right into the cornstarch directly. Get as much of it out as you can. And then we're going to put that to the side, and we're going to start mixing. Then you're going to want to start mixing it and just get in there, and you want it to become crumbly and the lotion to become fully incorporated. You might have to add some extra lotion. So once it feels like it's not too sticky, you can start going in there with your hands, and you can see that it's starting to stick to each other and clump together. So this is where it does get messy. You can use gloves, but I chose not to. So you're just going to want to mix with your hands some more. So you want to keep mixing, and you're going to need to add more lotion, and you want to get it to clump together in a ball. So once it starts clumping together, as you can see, in a ball, that's when you know it's kind of getting ready. And this, you're just going to want to squeeze in your hands, and you can get the excess left in your bowl by just scraping it up with your hands and sticking it. If it's too crumbly, that means you need to add more lotion. If it's too sticky, that means you probably need to add some more cornstarch. As you can see above, I have the perfect consistency. And now you're going to go ahead and just pick up the excess bits. And it's okay if a little bit goes to waste. And you have your dough. Now you can just go ahead and wash your hands. I love the way this dough turned out. It's super soft and malleable, and it feels sort of like Play-Doh but way softer. It is a bit crumbly, so if you can just add more lotion to adjust it to your liking. Also, make sure to store it in an airtight container as it can get dry and crumbly. If that does happen, just make sure to add more lotion and it'll be just as good as new. And that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys next time. Have a great day.